Home audio has reached a point where true immersion no longer requires a room full of speakers. With the right engineering, a single system can create height, depth, and movement that feels natural and expansive. Premium Dolby Atmos sound systems make this possible, and today's high-end soundbars are pushing the format further than ever. In this video, we're exploring the systems that turn everyday spaces into cinematic environments. Let's get started. Starting our best value proposition for premium virtual surround with the Sennheiser Ambeo Soundbar Plus, a system that proves you don't need a room full of speakers to get 3D audio. This model utilizes Sennheiser's renowned virtualization technology, which essentially tricks your brain into hearing phantom speakers around the room. It operates as a 7.1.4 system from a single chassis, using automated self-calibration to read your room's acoustic properties. The result is a surprisingly wide soundstage, where effects travel far beyond the physical width of the bar. It supports all major 3D audio formats, including Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, and for those who prioritize music streaming, the integration of high-resolution casting makes it a dual-threat performer. Transitioning to the audiophile's streamlined choice, we have the Bluesound Pulse Cinema, the next-generation successor to the Pulse Soundbar Plus. This unit distinguishes itself by focusing heavily on high-resolution audio fidelity and ecosystem integration. It runs on the BluOS platform, which is arguably the gold standard for multi-room music management, supporting 24-bit audio streaming directly from high-quality sources. While it delivers a capable home theater experience with discrete Dolby Atmos decoding, its true strength lies in its musicality. The mid-range is exceptionally clear, making vocals in both movies and music tracks stand out with a natural warmth that many processing-heavy bars lack. It is an ideal pick for those who want a serious hi-fi streamer that doubles as a TV sound system. If maximum versatility is your top priority, look no further than the JBL Bar 1300X Mark II. This system continues JBL's unique legacy of true wireless freedom with its detachable battery-powered surround speakers. You can physically undock the ends of the soundbar and place them behind you for authentic rear surround sound without running a single cable. The Mark II update refines the Multibeam 3.0 technology, ensuring that the 11.1.4 channel configuration fills the room with aggressive, pinpoint-accurate spatial audio. With a massive total power output pushing over 1,000 watts and a thunderous 12-inch subwoofer, this system is built for impact. The Pure Voice dialogue enhancement has also been sharpened to ensure speech isn't lost, even when the action scenes are shaking the floor. Switching gears to a style icon with serious performance chops, let's examine the Marshall Heston 120 paired with the Heston Sub 200. Marshall has finally brought their heritage amplifier aesthetic into a serious home theater configuration. The Heston 120 features the iconic tactile brass knobs on the top panel for immediate EQ adjustments, a tactile joy that is rare in modern tech. Internally, it uses a 5.1.2 configuration with custom-tuned dynamic drivers that deliver that signature Marshall sound, punchy, warm, and energetic. The inclusion of the Heston Sub 200 provides a low-end grit that pairs perfectly with rock soundtracks and explosive action. It balances retro visual charm with modern connectivity, supporting HDMI eARC and comprehensive app control for detailed room calibration.
As always, you can find all the links to the products that are mentioned in this video right in the description and in the pinned comment down below.
Stepping into the realm of fully integrated solutions, the Samsung HW-Q990F represents the bleeding edge of mainstream flagship performance. As the latest evolution of their flagship Q series, this 11.1.4 channel system introduces a redesigned, more compact cube subwoofer that minimizes resonance while maintaining deep bass extension. The standout feature here is the enhanced Q-Symphony, which leverages the connected Samsung TV's neural processing unit to sync perfectly with the TV speakers, utilizing every driver available to create a massive wall of sound.
The SpaceFit Sound Pro calibration analyzes room reverberations in real time, optimizing the audio profile to ensure that the dome of sound remains cohesive regardless of your ceiling height or furniture placement. It is a plug-and-play powerhouse for immersion.
Scaling up to a single-bar powerhouse, the Sennheiser Ambeo Soundbar Max dominates the room physically and acoustically. This is the larger, more potent sibling to the Plus, designed for larger rooms where physics cannot be cheated. It houses 13 high-end drivers, including deep-reaching 4-inch woofers that allow it to drop down to 30 Hz without an external subwoofer. The Max is all about raw power and scale. The virtualization here is even more convincing due to the larger physical separation of the drivers. It creates a 5.1.4 soundscape that feels incredibly tangible. For users who absolutely refuse to have a separate black box subwoofer on their floor but still demand chest-thumping bass, this remains the reference standard. Now let's look at a design masterpiece that rewrites the rulebook, the Devialet Dione. This soundbar is instantly recognizable by the central orb channel, which physically rotates to maintain perfect driver alignment whether the bar is wall-mounted or sitting flat on a credenza. It features 17 autonomous high-end drivers arranged in a 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos configuration, including 8 built-in long-throw subwoofers powered by Devialet's SAM or Speaker Active Matching technology. The amplification is handled by their proprietary ADH, or analog-digital hybrid system, combining the precision of Class A analog with the power of Class D digital. The result is a sound signature that is incredibly fast and detailed, with a low-end impact that defies the single chassis form factor. It treats movie soundtracks with the same delicate precision as high-fidelity music. Moving on to the reigning ecosystem giant, the Sonos Arc Ultra bundle sets the benchmark for user experience, pairing the Arc Ultra with the Sub 4 and a set of Era 300 rear speakers. The Ultra revision of the Arc introduces Sonos's new Sound Motion technology, a redesigned transducer architecture that delivers significantly greater bass depth and clarity from a more compact motor structure. When paired with the Era 300s, which are purpose-built for spatial audio with dedicated up-firing and side-firing drivers, the experience feels completely seamless. The synergy between all components is exceptional, with true play tuning precisely balancing the output of all 4 units to suit your room and seating position. As a result, it remains one of the easiest premium home theater systems to live with, thanks to Sonos's class-leading software and ecosystem integration. Turning to a true innovator in immersion, the Sony BRAVIA Theater Quad with bass module redefines the home cinema form factor, delivering a flexible 4.1.4 configuration driven by 360 spatial sound mapping. This system leverages Sony's proprietary processing to generate up to 12 phantom speakers from the physical units, creating a dome of audio that extends far beyond the footprint of the 4 sleek, canvas-like panels. When anchored by a dedicated subwoofer to provide cinematic weight to the slender satellites, the performance feels incredibly holographic. The synergy is maintained by sound field optimization, which automatically analyzes your room to calibrate each speaker's output based on its specific location. As a result, it stands out as the ultimate choice for design-conscious enthusiasts, delivering a massive, encompassing soundstage that virtually disappears into your living space's decor. For those demanding engineering excellence, the KEF XIO is a high-fidelity marvel. This active soundbar brings KEF's legendary Uni-Q driver technology into a home theater form factor. The Uni-Q MX array places the tweeter in the acoustic center of the mid-range cone, creating a single-point source for sound that disperses audio evenly throughout the room. The XIO also features the new VECO velocity control technology in its low-frequency drivers, which uses a feedback loop to eliminate distortion before it becomes audible. This results in dialogue and musical scores that are startlingly natural. It is less about aggressive surround effects and more about reproducing the texture and timbre of the audio exactly as the engineer intended.
Offering a unique twist on immersion, the Yamaha TrueX Surround 90A brings flexibility to the high-end sector. This flagship bundle includes the bar, a dedicated subwoofer, and portable wireless surround speakers. Yamaha has implemented their new eye-shaped speaker drivers to maximize cone area in a slim chassis, improving dynamic range. A key differentiator here is the support for both Dolby Atmos and RO 3D. While Atmos is the standard, the inclusion of RO 3D adds a unique vertical layer to the soundstage and excels at upmixing non-spatial content. The TrueX surround speakers are battery-powered and can be taken into other rooms as standalone Bluetooth speakers, offering a level of flexibility similar to the JBL, but with Yamaha's distinct natural tuning and clear voice processing that excels at separating dialogue from background noise. Elevating the concept of audio furniture, we have the Bang & Olufsen Beosound Premier. Bridging the gap between audio equipment and fine art, the Premier features a stunning aluminum chassis with architecturally exposed drivers that are meant to be seen. The top-firing driver is covered by a precision-milled grille with exactly 1,925 perforations, a deliberate nod to the brand's founding year. Under the hood, it utilizes wide stage technology to manipulate the phase of the audio, pushing the soundstage well beyond the physical limits of the bar. It is a 7.1.4 system that prioritizes acoustic clarity and aesthetic beauty equally. The bass is controlled and musical, avoiding the boominess of cheaper systems, and the Mozart platform ensures it remains future-proof with modular software updates. Redefining the immersive audio landscape, we have the Focal Muso Hekla. Merging the raw acoustic power of Focal with Name's digital mastery, the Hekla features a brushed anodized aluminum casing inspired by the volcanic terrain of Iceland. The interface centers on an illuminated watch crown-style volume dial that offers tactile precision unlike any touch panel. Under the hood, it utilizes the Name Pulse platform and proprietary sphere processing to drive 15 independent drivers, creating a 7.1.2 Dolby Atmos dome that pushes sound well beyond the physical limits of the chassis. It prioritizes explosive dynamics and spatial accuracy equally. The 660 watts of amplification deliver deep, seismic bass without needing a separate sub. Already released in South Korea and China, this masterpiece is coming to the USA in 2026, promising to reset the benchmark for high-end all-in-one systems. For the ultimate bass enthusiasts who refuse to compromise, the Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6 home surround system is the undisputed heavyweight. It claims the title of the world's first wireless system with quad 12-inch subwoofers, utilizing 4 massive 12-inch carbon fiber reinforced aluminum drivers supported by carbon passive radiators to deliver colossal bass that digs down to 19 Hz. This configuration eliminates room modes and provides a visceral, chest-crushing impact that standard home theater setups simply cannot match. The system is powered by 15 digital amplifiers and features 7 air motion transformer (AMT) tweeters across the main unit and surrounds, ensuring that despite the massive low end, the high frequencies remain startlingly fast and detailed. With 2 OmniMotion reference surrounds that perform distinct up-firing and side-firing duties, the Dragon recreates a commercial theater's pressure and scale right in your home. Finally, reaching the summit of ultra-luxury, we arrive at the Bang & Olufsen Beosound Theater. This is less of a soundbar and more of a modular audio engine. It is designed to outlast your TV, featuring an adjustable wing system that can physically expand to match the width of any screen you pair it with. The acoustic performance is derived from their flagship floor-standing speakers, delivering power and finesse that is simply in a different league. It creates a sound heart, a sweet spot that follows you, but can also direct sound to specific listening zones. The bass management is so advanced that it can essentially reroute low frequencies to the most capable speaker in the chain seamlessly. It is a masterpiece of industrial design and acoustic engineering that stands alone at the top.
Thank you for watching. You can discover more about these excellent products with the links in the description down below. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you.